What have we do to get your love? Girl, I don't give.
Hello my people, how on a day? How on a jollificate now? When they see this Christmas as they go, it just my brain just the boss because if I just see the way people just they celebrate their Christmas, it just be like say make me too come they celebrate and with you. How on a day now? Now your girl IK Joy, or you can still call me IK Joy. And they talk. So I say make una just come, make una listen to this talk. You know say for Nigeria here, you know our dressing they make sense. That's why I say make her just dress like African lady. Make her dress like Nigerian girl. Now it's my gele. She wanna see my gele. Wanna see everything about me. Oh my gosh. Well, what happened? They say I don't come. They say I don't come. No going back. Make I just give her this small story before we start our daily talk.
Hugo, that your daughter is no more longer a child. She's enough to know what is good and what is bad. There is one special thing I used to give to him. Hey, and it's only me, Messi, the village fighter, can do it. Why are you batting like a madman? That is how madness used to start. I want you to leave her son alone. The one that baffles me yesterday that she said that you used Sham to hold his son. That one is the one that makes me to shed tears. Messi. Girl, as I go to farm, standing with your man. Chineke, what you talk? What you just talk? From where? Which side? Where? Which side? Which side is that? You mean say you see her standing with my man? Upon not the desire, why I don't desire that girl? Upon say I don't give her warning concerning that's my man. Okay. Oh, I think I need to teach her a lesson this time around.
Hey, I don't come back. If this is your first time, make you click the subscribe button. That red button where they write subscribe. Just click on it. If you go for the corner, you go see bell. Click that bell. So that anytime where I post my talk, you go get her. No be so. Another story where we want yarn today, we say you get one girl where just call me for phone. Oh, if wanna see this girl, wanna go pity her. Oh boy, people wicked though. Yes, some people wicked. If you see what people they pass for this country, if you see the kind pain where people they pass for this country, oh, you go thank God for your life. Short, anywhere where they talk say God, I really thank you. Yes, you know easy. You see, people they suffer. You get one girl will call me for phone now. She they tell me say he born for one guy and the guy went born for at the end of it, the guy no can accept the pikin. You know, so now come they ask how the thing take happen. Me say if I for like, we're gonna use on a ear hear from her talk. But if I say make I continue, I beg we're gonna still drop her for the comment section now, so that I will know what will go happen. But for today, what I want you to be say, I have to tell you guys the story. If I tell her the story, we're gonna give her option, as in we're gonna give her ideas by dropping it at that comment section. No fail to drop your own idea so that she too should go correct herself. Maybe if not she make mistake, and if not the guy make mistake. You understand? We're gonna drop on there because nobody is above mistake. Anybody can make a mistake. Thank you, my people. So what are they talking say? That girl, her name na Chinyere. She get an agreement with one man where they call Obinna. The man tell her make him born pikin for her. But this man, why they tell you so, the man don't marry before for like 10 years, 9 years ago. The wife no give her pikin. So now he come meet this Chinyere, then I say he need pikin, say make him please born pikin for her. When the girl come, he knows now, and they know the kind of agreement where they get. That one no consign me. So when this girl come born pikin now, she come born girl. Instead of the guy now, where both of them have the agreement, they have to come carry pikin and also take care of this girl. At least the one when you see first, make him grab her. Now the man talk say no be agreement again, where two of them get. Say the agreement where they get, you say, make the girl born man for her. Say you no need woman. So now what still happen? Oh, the girl when they cry, they go leave the girl for hospital there as the girl born the pikin. Come leave and there, come run, come out. I don't know how people they wicked, just they do anyhow, you know. So now the girl come cry. At the end of it, the girl no come see money pay for hospital bill. Now she come dey work there as cleaner. So her money complete. Now she come for that hospital. So now this girl come dey suffer with this pikin. They suffer, they take care of the pikin. They suffer. And this girl, according to her, she don't finish secondary school, write her jam. Now university, now she won't enter before this thing happen. But according to she saying love the man, I don't understand this guy when get love this time around. If she's small pikin, no go go somewhere, but me I go just judge her. So when the girl come she want to suffer with the pikin, take care of this pikin, come raise this pikin. Now the pikin now they like 5 years. Because again, I don't forget the man, you don't forget her, she don't move on with her life. Because the man too, no one they call her. So now he come recently now, according to the girl, he come say like last 2 months ago, come see person we call her for phone. He call her to say, nah that guy, what they call Obinna, that one make him a belly. So Obinna now come they beg her, say he want see her and the pikin. So my dear, me I don't understand. So now the girl come tell and say her, say it cannot happen. After leaving me and this pikin for hospital, now you come back. What do you want make I do now? Now the guy tell and say one come carry pikin. I mean, what can I tell you? When that one don't what? I just see face, I dey para. When that one don't happen, when you go, but you know say you will stay with this pikin tomorrow. When you come, when you know even though you say you don't like the girl, I mean it's just small time, just they send them money. Make she use to take care of the pikin for you because tomorrow you go need them. So now wetin happen? That be the story where they ground. The girl now we talk say the guy say he don't marry. I say he don't marry. Another one, this one we marry now. He marry another woman now. Make the woman born pikin for am because he don't tell that one. Make that one born for am. That one no gree. That one tell am say unless he marry am. So now he come marry am. That one too no come born pikin. You know say nobody will feel question God. Maybe time when God will take give that one pikin, he never reach. But as he the man, he blood hot, and this kind of person might even die quick if you don't get patient. No be person they there 40 years for relationship. At the end of it, God give them pikin. God can even surprise you, give you twins, give you 3 twins, triplets. So now wetin happen? Wetin me and they talk now? You say make we in the set, make we get patient, so that the things wey God get for us will reach our hand. Yes. Make we know they rush something. Okay, imagine now, after many years now, he don't go still go marry another woman. Now the woman not gonna give a child. Now this poor girl, this poor innocent girl, you never even tell just because of it saying like you. And maybe you know what I promised I'm saying you marry. So because of saying the girl like you, now the girl give you pikin in a platter of gold. Instead of you to appreciate it, carry the gift, give the girl. You just turn everything upside down because you want man. So my people, like waiting may happen now. The girl say no gonna tell her waiting go to. What I make him carry the pikin give her. I be make him make an offer. Whether they make him tell the guy, make the guy marry her. You know, no can I tell her waiting go to. I be making the run. This person will say don't give her the first time he come born. The person reject her. Say nah man. Maybe the second one now, maybe it come become woman. Who know what I will run? They run. Maybe third one now come become woman. Maybe you go they run. I beg. Make gonna drop her for comment section, yeah, so that she too she will learn from it. Whether she will stay. I don't know whether I will feel say this one I love. Whether love will take blind for this one. I don't understand. Whether only the girl they love the guy. I be the guy no love and only pikin 9 months. I say come see say the girl too no born man. Him too. Or maybe this one we marry no born he can't come back. Does that mean say the guy love the girl? I want to know what that does that mean say the guy love the girl? I mean does that mean say the guy have no option? I mean make the guy said make him get patient. No gonna drop her for comment section make them see him. Thank you. Now that one be my story. If you too you get your own story, I go drop my WhatsApp number here so that you go feel WhatsApp me. You know, tell me your own story so that we will share them with people. Then we'll give you idea, give us idea so that we will take correction. You know, sometimes we have to say, no, we don't see person who will give us good advice. Well, see you. Click the subscribe button. Okay? Thank you and God bless you. Bye.